welcome to my channel. Wait, I have to start over because I haven't done this in a month. Hi YouTube, I'm Autumn Beckman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This was my big Christmas gift, a little item from Gucci. The mother and the boyfriend went in on this. It is my first item from Gucci besides a little canvas pouch that I bought at the Gucci Museo in Florence, Italy when we were there. And this is a piece I've had on my wish list for quite some time. I wanted to ask for it for my birthday this past year, or this year, current year, a few months ago. All that stuff happened with Sebastian and then Roxy, so I asked for Roxy for my birthday, the adoption fees for Roxy. So I got that. That was much more important than this, but I do finally have my hands on this. And I told my mother if they didn't want to get this for me, because nobody else in my family is into luxury things and spending so much money on little things like this. I told her that if they didn't want to get it for me, that I was going to get it for myself, but they decided to get it for me, so it's very sweet. And when I opened it, the boyfriend was like, is it the right one? Is it the right one? Because he wanted to be sure. He's paranoid and I'm very picky, but it is the right one. So they ordered this, or the boyfriend ordered this off the Gucci website. And I didn't know if they got it, how they would get it. Oh, let me show you this. It arrived in this little box. Let me make sure my address isn't showing on it. It arrived in this box, and inside the box it says Gucci. So it came in that, and I don't know how else it was packaged. I'm sure he got rid of the packaging. But I was happy to see that it included the shopping bag. And it looks like this. Lovely. Black on the bottom. And it has these two ribbon handles, and then this ribbon that you tie in a bow to keep your bag closed while you're walking around the store so nobody reaches in, or walking around the mall, I guess, so nobody reaches in. And here's what it looks like inside. A couple of items. So let me pull out paperwork first. It came with this postcard sized piece of cardstock, and on each side it has a sample of Gucci Bloom, or Gucci Bloom Acqua di Fiori. Water of the flower, is that what that is? It also has this envelope, which is currently sealed, and I did not open it yesterday, so I'm sure it just has the receipt in it, but let's check it out. Okay, so pulling that out, it has this card. Thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com, and whatever else it says. It has a return label. It came from Secaucus, New Jersey, and it has the return policy. Two-sided, lots of information there. So there's no receipt, and maybe that's because it was a gift item, or maybe the boyfriend has the receipt and closed it. I'll have to ask him, not sure. Only thing left in the bag now is the item itself. Came in this cute little black and white Gucci box with the ribbon tied on it. And the ribbon, see if you can see it there, the ribbon says Gucci in a few places. There was one more thing on the bottom of the bag, and this actually came inside the box, but I pulled it out yesterday and forgot to put it back in. It is a Gucci branded silica packet, not silicone. Gucci branded silica packet. Pretty fancy silica, I tell you what. All right, let's open this baby up. Pull the ribbon off, slide that up, and it has a label on the side that says what it is, but of course I don't want to show you that because you should be surprised. Pull that off, and it's wrapped in some tissue paper. It has the dust bag that says Gucci, and I was very pleasantly surprised by the dust bag. It's really nice. It's this satiny material, and then the Gucci is on like a ribbon, or like a tag actually. It's because I can stick my finger through the side there. It's like it's sewn on like a tag would be on the inside of your shirt there. But it's satiny and it's double-sided, so it's all closed up there. It's a nice dust bag. All right, here's the big reveal. Open it up, and dun, da, da, da. It's the Gucci Marmont card case in black with it has the gold hardware. I think that's the only option you get with that. And there's the back. I love the Gucci Marmont chevron pattern. I wanted something in that pattern. I've wanted a card case for quite a while. I was thinking of putting my healthcare cards in here. I have this one that is from Nordstrom, came with a coin purse. It was inside a coin purse. And I have all my healthcare cards in there right now. So initially that's what I got this for, but I have found as I've been using some of my smaller bags that I need a super compact wallet, like a card case, to use in some of my small bags so I can fit things like my reading glasses in there and like camera for vlogging and things like that. So this will be a multifunctional piece for me, and I may just keep my healthcare cards in here and use this as a wallet when needed. And then it won't get the daily use and wear either, so that's nice. So I haven't looked at this in too much detail. Let's see. There's one little card here, just to keep it nice and pretty. There are no papers in the back of it. And then there's something folded up here. Oh, it's the little Gucci care packet, and there's something sticking out inside of it. The little Gucci tag. Does anybody know what those are for? I'm not very familiar with Gucci, so I don't know what that is exactly. This is what the little care booklet looks like. It has information in several different languages. I think it's interesting that they only have a card in that one front slot and nothing else, none in the other pockets. So it has 2 card slots up front, 2 card slots in the back, and then the card slot in the middle. And the interior is black leather. Surprised by that, that's nice. Oh, the whole thing is leather. Maybe not that one. Okay, so this first pocket on the outside, the shortest one, is lined in like a satin, it looks like. Oh, so is the next one. And then the 2 on the back, also lined in that satin. I think you can see that. But then the interior pocket is completely lined in leather. I think you can see where it says Gucci right inside there, where it's stamped. It says Gucci, probably says made in Italy, I can't read it, and then it looks like it has a serial number. So that's the unboxing of my very first Gucci piece, which I have been waiting on for a while now. I love it. It was worth the wait. It's a beautiful little card holder. I love the gold GG. I do wish that it was a shinier gold instead of this antiqued gold, but that's the only option you have. And by the way, in case you're interested in knowing this information, gosh, it was a while ago that I was looking at these card cases, maybe even a year ago, maybe that long. But I narrowed it down to this Gucci card case and the YSL, the Yves Saint Laurent card case. And the YSL one was a little bigger, like it was a little taller, I think, and it was more stiff. And I was looking at one that was quilted and had the YSL in gold going down the front. So a similar look to the two, but I felt like this one was softer and a little more pliable from the get-go. And the lady at Gucci, that when I first went into the store to look at this, the lady who helped me, I told her that I had just looked at the YSL one, and she said the same thing without me even mentioning it, that the YSL ones tend to be stiff. I'm curious if any of you have both of them, what you think about that and which one you prefer if you have a preference. So that's my lovely Gucci unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing in a while, probably won't do another one in a while because I'm just not buying a lot right now as far as luxury items. But it's a lovely little piece. I'm very happy I have it. Thank you the boyfriend, thank you the mother. It will get lots of use and be loved and treasured. Please let me know down below if you prefer the Gucci or the YSL, if you have one or both of those, and why. Because I'm sure there are people looking at card cases that are trying to narrow it down themselves. I think the price points were the same or very similar on those two. I know the Chanel one is more expensive and has fewer pockets. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Remember to like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.